Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vela AI token. That is the name of the token and also the ticker symbol. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 21st, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. It says, as the world's first artificial intelligence-driven real-world asset service platform, Vela AI relies on innovative models such as AI screening engines, compliance tokenization, and community crowdfunding market making to open up a decentralized financial integration path for physical assets. It uses a unique token economic model to increase the asset assurance population, allowing token holders to become the core hub of market liquidity. Now, there's a total supply of 1 billion Vela AI tokens. Now, Vela AI, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This is a BEP-20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, and you could find this token on BSC Scan. So Vela is an AI-powered omni-chain infrastructure for RWA circulation, and this token just got a very big central exchange listing. Starting tomorrow, May 21st at 6 a.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Vela AI, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So by integrating a proprietary AI curation engine, compliant tokenization framework, and community-driven liquidity model, Vela systematically addresses inefficiencies in traditional finance and the scarcity of high-quality assets in crypto markets, unlocking trillions in real-world assets value on-chain. Through an innovative tokenomics design, Vela pioneers the token holder crowdfunding market-making model, empowering token holders to become core liquidity providers for RWA markets. This ensures end-to-end liquidity for tokenized assurance to secondary market trading by lowering asset assurance barriers, activating individual participation in market making, and democratizing yields. Vela establishes a new AI-secured, community-driven, compliance-anchored RWA financial paradigm, positioning itself as the central hub for Web3 real economic symbiosis. So they have a full white paper that you could find on their webpage, which is Vela.ltd, short for limited. So they have an incubator, so Vela AI Technology, a Singapore-registered fintech leader, drives deep integration of AI and blockchain to pioneer solutions for RWA DeFi convergence. As Vela's incubator, it assembles global experts in financial engineering, quantitative trading, and compliance to deliver end-to-end RWA tokenization services, covering on-chain asset integration, liquidity provisioning, and risk management for traditional institutions, asset managers, and crypto-native projects. Now they have some of their team, they talk about them on their document section. So like John Carter would be the CEO, co-founder. They don't have pictures, but they have full names, background, job titles, etc. So the technical architecture, Vela is full stack architecture, integrates 3 core modules. So AI asset curation engine, compliance, first tokenization framework, and community-driven liquidity network to cover asset discovery, compliance, assurance, and liquidity enhancement. Now they have the multimodal data integration, the aggregates corporate filing, supply chain records, government data, and news sentiment into a global real asset database, eliminating manual due diligence bottlenecks. Also, the smart evaluation model, so the NLP analyzes legal risks in contracts. Time series models predicts cash flow stability. Knowledge graphs map asset ownership hierarchies. Outputs low volatility, high transparency assets with strong cash flows. And they have the dynamic credit scoring, so generates Vela score 0 to 100 to quantify asset tokenization priority. Only AAA rated assets enter assurance pipelines, ensuring baseline quality. So they have the standard tokenization, so modular token standards, ERC 3643 and 1400 compatible, supports equity, debt, and revenue rights structures, enabling jurisdiction-specific compliant assurance. And they have the embedded compliance, N-chain, KYC, AML verification, transaction whitelisting, blacklisting, real-time audit trail, immutability, and the asset segregation and custody. So low-risk assets, fully on-chain smart contract custody, high-risk assets, licensed off-chain custody with real-time attestations. Now, they also have here the Liquidity Enhancement Network, which is AI-powered market making, token holder crowdfunding, and cross-chain liquidity. They have a value flywheel, which includes RWA asset growth, trading volume surges, market making yield increases, more Vela staking, and liquidity boosts, and the T-Track new asset assurance. Now, the tokenomics for this token. It says here, 1 billion total supply, I mentioned that already. So basically 90% of the tokens will be allocated for RWA issuers. And then we have here, actually, no, wait, hold on here. So that, it says model advantages for RWA issuers, for holders, and for ecosystems. But basically 90% of the tokens will be burned in mining with a 10-year linear release dynamically adjusted with network growth. And then we have 4% going to the Foundation Reserve that has a 2-year lockup linear release, 1% for exchange liquidity, immediate circulation, 2% market stabilization reserved for extreme volatility interventions, and 3% private sale, and opt 6-month lockup, 12-month linear release. So go check out this token. You can see the whole revenue model on their white paper. Vela.ltd is the web page. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You can find this token on BSC Scan, and you can find it newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. So go check this token out. Also a big project, another Matt Fury meme coin based off a new character called the Gas Pass Cat. Just got listed today on Mexc Global. So check out the video I'm doing on that as well. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.